Hi, I'm Matt from Thomas Jacks, and this is our Field Sports 1 minute guide to safely fixing a good proportion of software issues you might encounter with a thermal or digital night vision rifle scope all by yourself. If you've got a scope like this, you'll appreciate it's complex and technology can get really confusing. So if the battery life isn't as good as it once was, your thermal scope struggles to connect to your phone, or someone has just completely gone and muddled up all your settings, don't worry. This is your guide to get things safely back on track, quickly restoring your scope to behaving just like new. And best of all, it doesn't affect any zeroing profiles or data, so don't worry. I'll show you exactly what to do in this quick guide to backing up your data and resetting your scope. Before you do anything else, just video all your zeroing data, go into your settings and scroll down through all your saved zeroing profile coordinate data. Keeping a record of that means you can check nothing's been altered. And if for whatever reason you do lose it, it's easy to re-enter zeroing coordinates without taking a shot. Now download and back up any important videos from your device onto your computer, including that video of your zeroing data. With the USB cable attached and on your computer, open the Pulsar drive and drag the files over. Now you can safely start to fix things firstly by reformatting the storage. It's here in settings, confirm you want to do this, then format to clear the storage on your device. Second, restore the original factory settings in the menu here, click yes and yes again, and then you're done. Just like you would with a computer, turn your scope off and on again. And that's it. A quick check of the zeroing data. And there you go, still all safe. If that hasn't helped, check out our other 1 minute guides or drop us a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications for more thermal tips from me, Matt, at Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.